You are blessed in the name of Jesus. We are reading Ephesians chapter 6, verse 4, King James Version and Amplified Version. I will start with King James Version. It says, "And ye fathers, provoke not your children to wrath, but bring them up in the nurture and admonish of the Lord." And then Amplified Version says, "Fathers, do not irritate and provoke your children to anger. Do not exasperate them to resentment, but rear them tenderly in the training and discipline and the counsel and admonish of the Lord." So we can see in this passage that God is addressing the fathers. Fathers are naturally hard. They give orders, they are the leaders and all that. But again, he's bringing our attention to this issue that fathers, they can also nurture, they can also counsel, they can train, they can discipline their children with kindness, not with anger. In my previous video, I said your children are not your enemies. You are not fighting with your children when you discipline them or when you choose not to spare the rod on them. But in all of that, let us practice kindness to our kids. We should be kind to our kids even when we are disciplining them. Because why? We do not want to put a seed of anger while disciplining them, while counseling them, while nurturing them, because that seed will not grow now, but later in the years, you'll find out your child that he has anger problems. Why? Because his upbringing was done in a way that allows the enemy to do what? To plant anger. After you shout at your child, after you be unkind to your child, now the enemy comes to whisper, your father doesn't love you. You see, he loves this one more than you. Let us learn to be kind and not give room for the enemy to come and plant evil seeds that will destroy our children's future and also bring shame to us. We have to be happy and well pleased with our children. I pray that God helps us to bring up our children with love and kindness and not resent them, not plant a seed of anger, willing, unknowingly or not. You are blessed in Jesus' name.